In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for Business. Google Sites is a fast, free way to create a clean, professional website without coding. It's perfect for small teams, consultants, or anyone who needs a polished web presence quickly. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. Head to the Google Sites homepage and start a new project with a blank canvas. Give your site a clear name so it's easy to recognize in your workspace, and add a simple site title that reflects your business on the homepage. Naming things consistently now will save time later and help your brand feel cohesive. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. You can revise wording and layout as you build. Next, choose a business template or start blank. Templates are great if you want a head start with typography and spacing that already look polished. Pick one whose style matches your brand tone, then tailor colors, header images, and fonts to feel on brand. If you prefer complete control, a blank site lets you design every section from scratch. Either way, prioritize readability and clear calls to action. Now add the core pages your visitors expect: home, about, services, and contact. Your homepage should give a quick snapshot of who you are, what you offer, and the primary action you'd like visitors to take. The about page adds credibility with a concise origin story and your values or approach. On the services page, group offerings into clear sections with brief descriptions so people can scan quickly. The contact page should make it simple to reach you, highlighting the best channel. Keep page names short so navigation stays clean. With your structure in place, insert the content that brings it to life. Use text boxes for headlines, subheads, and brief paragraphs. Aim for scannable sections rather than dense blocks. Add high-quality images that represent your work, and keep file sizes reasonable so pages load fast. Embed videos to showcase demos, testimonials, or a quick introduction. A short, well-lit clip can boost trust. For inquiries, add a form so visitors can send questions directly. Keep it short to encourage completion, and include a clear confirmation message. Throughout, align elements to the built-in grid, maintain consistent spacing, and use contrast for accessibility. As you build, think like your customer, surface the most important info first, and make actions quick. Strong headlines, concise copy, and clear buttons make a big difference. That's it. Open Google Sites, choose a design approach, add your essential pages, and fill them with compelling text, images, videos, and forms that showcase your business. You'll have a professional, easy to manage site in no time.